If you're an agency owner or part of the sales team and you handle sales opportunities, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can seamlessly link opportunities to the payment tab and send invoices as well as estimates. This is going to make your sales process so much smoother. Let's get started. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. Let's just scroll down to opportunities. Once you click on opportunities, just go to the pipeline that you want to manage. In this case, we're going to go ahead and open one opportunity. Once you click on opportunities, we're going to click on payments, and then you're going to see actions to the right. You can create an estimate directly from the payment tab inside of the opportunity. So let's click on create estimate. Once you click on create estimate, you can go ahead and name your estimate. And notice here this check mark. This estimate is automatically going to be linked to this particular opportunity. You can go ahead and add your estimate number, any dates and expiration dates, but don't forget to add your product. Let's go ahead and select the product. Once the product is selected, you can go ahead and save this estimate, or you can send it directly to the client. Once you click on send, you have the option to send email and text, email or text. So select the option that you wish to send. So we're going to go ahead and send an email in this case. And now under the payments tab, you'll see that corresponding estimate. Additionally, you can do the same thing with invoices. Let's open this opportunity. We're going to go ahead and click on payments. Once you click on payments, we're going to click actions. Once you select actions, go ahead and create invoice. Again, name your invoice, and you'll notice here that this is already linked to the opportunity as well. So then we just want to add the product, and you can go ahead and send that. You'll have the option to save it, or you can send it via email, text, and text. We're going to go ahead and email this out. So you'll see on this opportunity under payments, we have the invoice that has been sent to the actual client. Now I want you to click on payments under the sub-account level. Once you click on payments, you can also link opportunities directly from invoices and estimates. Let's go ahead and click on estimates. Once you click on estimates, we're going to click new estimate. We're going to add the customer to the estimate. Don't forget to add the product. And you'll notice here that you can link this to an opportunity. So we're going to go ahead and link it to the opportunity directly from payments. So now this particular estimate will be linked to this opportunity, although we're sending it under payments. So let's go ahead and send that estimate out. We'll click send. Additionally, you can do the same for invoices. So let's click on all invoices. From here, we're going to click the new plus button, click on new invoice, name your invoice, select the customer that you want to send that invoice to. And don't forget, you can actually link this to the opportunity now. So we're going to go ahead and link that opportunity. We're going to add the product to the invoice that you want to invoice them for. Fill out any other information that you need to add. You can either save this or you can send it. So I'm going to go ahead and send this out. You can send it by email and text, email or text. I'm going to send it via email. Okay, so the third way is we're going to go ahead and send an estimate or an invoice through automations. So what you want to do is under payments, be sure to go to templates and make sure that you have your invoice template already created. And then if you click on estimates, you'll see that you have an estimate template already created for your workflow as well. So don't forget you want to set those up. So for example, we'll just click on new template. You can go ahead and name this template. Add the product that you want to add to the invoice, any other information that you would like to add to that. And then you can save that specific template under a particular name. Just go ahead and hit save. And then you'll see that that invoice is now here. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to automation and we're going to create a workflow. We're going to click on start from scratch. And what you want to do is you want to set up the workflow with a trigger on an opportunity event. So let's click on add new trigger. And I'm just going to search for opportunity and you can see opportunity status changed, opportunity created, opportunity changed, stale opportunities, or pipeline stage changed. I'm going to go ahead and select pipeline stage changed, and then I'm going to add additional filters. So I'm going to say what pipeline it's in, and then I'm going to select the pipeline stage. So in this case, it's going to be sold because we're focusing on sales. I'm going to save that trigger. So once an opportunity is moved to the sold column, we can either send them that estimate or we can send them that invoice. So just search for estimate and you'll see send estimate. It's going to ask you to select the user. Go ahead and select the user, then select the estimate template that we've already created. And then you're going to send it directly or you can create as a draft. In this case, I'm going to send it directly and I'm going to save that action. Don't forget to publish and save your workflow. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing for invoices. So we are going to go ahead and select our workflow trigger for opportunities. In this case, again, I'm just going to say that once this opportunity has been moved to the sold status, then we want to actually trigger the workflow to send an invoice. So the first way we did it was we sent an estimate. So now we're going to send an invoice. Just search for invoice and you'll see send invoice from the user that you want to send it from. And then we'll select that invoice template that we would have already created. And the payment mode, we're going to leave it live and we're going to save that action. Go ahead and publish and save your workflow. And don't forget to name your workflow. So go ahead and start tracking your invoices and your estimates right inside of Deals, keeping all of those estimates as well as invoices tied to the entire sales process. So go ahead and start utilizing Go HighLevel to make your sales process seamless.